Today I'm going to share with you the secret to preventing ear infections inside of your dog's ears. We will go over the common types of ear complications, predisposing factors, how to clean the ears, what to use, what not to use, and how often. By the end of this video, my goal for you is for you to have the knowledge and understanding to be able to apply a routine to take care of your dog's ear health, which will not only give you peace of mind, but also save you money down the road. Before we dive into actually cleaning our dog's ears, we need to understand the basic ear anatomy. Humans have a simple straight ear canal that leads to their eardrum, but dogs and many other animals actually have an L-shaped ear canal. This means they have a vertical up and down portion and horizontal side to side portion to their ear canal. This sharp corner leads to debris accumulation, and it creates a dark, moist environment for ear infections to occur. As owners, it should be our responsibility to make sure we are doing our best to keep this area clean to prevent unwanted complications. There are a few common ear complications that can be prevented through maintenance cleaning, starting with otitis externa. Otitis externa is the ear infection of the outer portion of the ear. Symptoms include head shaking, a pain response with touch, a distinct foul odor, a red inflamed ear canal, and the most common symptom being scratching or rubbing of the ear. Otitis media is when the ear infection has extended down into the middle portion of the ear, which also has the potential to turn into otitis interna, or internal infections. Symptoms we can see with otitis media include depression, loss of hearing, lack of appetite, circling, vomiting, and nystagmus, which means uncontrolled eye movement. Oral hematomas are when blood vessels in the ear break, causing blood to accumulate underneath of the skin. Often, this is caused by excessive scratching or flopping of the ears due to irritation from an ear infection. However, oral hematomas are not dangerous, they are bothersome to the dog. Now that we understand some of the basic complications that can occur, we will now talk about the factors that cause these complications. Starting with primary factors, we have parasites of the ear, foreign bodies such as grass or dirt getting stuck inside of the ear canal, and hypersensitivity such as allergies. Factors that may predispose your dog to ear infections include long, hanging pendulous ears, excessively hairy ears, and excessive moisture. Excessive moisture may arise from your dog swimming or bathing your dog at home, but not properly drying out the ears afterwards. Breeds that are predisposed to ear infections include Cocker Spaniels, Basset Hounds, Golden Retrievers, Bulldogs, German Shepherds, Labrador Retrievers, Pit Bulls, Poodles, and Shar-Peis. How to clean your dog's ears. It's okay to start off slow. You don't have to do a full ear clean the first time. If you do too much too soon, then your dog may get frustrated or resentful. So start with a hug to practice restraint, and touch the ears to desensitize and work up to an ear clean from there. I will now teach you the step-by-step guide on how to clean your dog's ears at home. Step number 1, restraint. Figure out the best way to restrain your dog, whether that be getting a family member to hold the dog or getting the dog to sit in between your legs in a corner. We want to restrain them from running away, because once we start cleaning their ears, their automatic response is to shake their heads and run away. Bonus tip, have towels for a cleanup afterwards. Step number 2, add solution. Holding the ear flap forwards and pulling slightly up on the ear canal, squirt the ear solution that should be at room temperature into the dog's ear. It doesn't need to be a large amount, just enough to fill up the ear canal. Be careful to not let the tip of the bottle touch the inside of the ear. If it does, give it a quick wipe down to ensure bacteria does not grow on it. If your dog does not handle pouring straight liquid into the ear canal well, you can try soaking cotton balls and gently putting those in the ear canal instead. Please do not put Q-tips and ear swabs down your dog's ears where you cannot see, as this will cause damage. Step number 3, massage. We can gently massage at the base of the ear close to the head. You want to squish it around so that it makes a noise that sounds like boots stepping around in ankle-deep mud. This will begin to break up any debris that has accumulated deep inside the ear canal. Do this for about 15 to 30 seconds, or unless your solution requires a specific contact time. Step number 4, wipe out. Use a cotton ball to clean up the debris that has surfaced to the top. Again, being mindful to not go too deep into the ear canal. Go to where your fingers fit comfortably with the cotton ball, And don't forget to wipe out the outer folds of the ear. Now on to the last step. Step number 5, inspect and repeat. Look for debris. If it's dirty, repeat those steps again. If it's clean, repeat the whole process on the other ear, ensuring that when you're done, both ears are properly dried. How often should we be doing this? For regular ear cleaning maintenance, doing this once a month should do the job. It is also recommended to look inside of your dog's ears at least once a week so that if anything is off, we can catch it early. The internet can be a super useful tool. However, it is not reliable when giving owners information for ear cleaning options at home. Things the internet may say you can put inside of your dog's ears but will actually cause harm include alcohol or hydrogen peroxide. This can be very irritating to tissues. Vinegar, whether that be white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. This is just very painful and damaging, as if you were to pour it on an open cut. Plus, vinegar prevents drying, which is the exact opposite of what we want to achieve. A couple other things you should avoid putting inside of your dog's ear include tea tree oil and coconut oil. You may be wondering, well, what can I use? You can use any ear cleaning solution meant for dogs' ears. I recommend that you ask your veterinarian, as some are specifically made to help remove wax buildup, while others have antibacterial properties. I just want to throw out a disclaimer. If you look inside of your dog's ears and notice any symptoms that I mentioned earlier, please go see your veterinarian. Ear cleaning can be a super useful tool to prevent infections, however, it may not be enough to actually treat them. And with that, now you know all there is to know about taking care of your dog's ears at home. In this video, you learned how to set up a routine for checking and cleaning your dog's ears. By doing this, it can prevent unwanted ear complications and infections, ensuring your dog is more comfortable, giving you peace of mind, and saving you money. I hope you enjoyed this video by Pet Parent Pointers, and I hope you and your furry companion have a fantastic day.